Faith Gang, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who aren't following me on Instagram, I started my own business called the Beauty Unleashed Collection, and I'm going to leave my Instagram to my business in my description box down below. And I'm really excited because as of June 25th, my website is officially up and running and it's available to accept orders. So if you guys haven't checked it out, I'm going to have my Instagram to my business in my description box down below. So let's get into the video. And I just want to say thank you to my Faith Gang for returning back to my channel. And if you're new, then welcome. And I hope you consider subscribing by the end of this video. And in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how me and my family made this delicious seafood boil in honor of my birthday. And if you guys would like to see how we made this delicious seafood boil, then continue watching. The ingredients that we use for this seafood boil is frozen shrimp, turkey, skinless smoked sausage, andouille sausage, which is like a spicy sausage, boiled eggs, fresh corn, cut up garlic, potatoes, 2 lemons to put in the water, Old Bay seasoning, crawfish, crab, and shrimp boil oil, and soul seasoning. We started off with a large pot of water and we put that in the oven, and once our water came to a boil, we took the pot out and then we added our soul seasoning into the water. And we didn't really measure how much we put in, we just put in enough where it was seasoned enough. And then we used our Old Bay seasoning, and I poured maybe about 5 or 6, I want to say, tablespoons of the Old Bay seasoning and the crab and shrimp boil into the water. And we actually cooked our corn and our potatoes separately, just so that they wouldn't be too hard when we put it into our regular pot that goes into the oven. And once we felt like the corn was soft enough, we put it into the bigger pot that goes into the oven. And we also put the garlic into our pot that goes into the oven before we put any of the food in there. And the next thing that we put into our big pot that went into the oven was our sausages. And we already pre-cut up the sausages, so we just put them in the pot. And we actually waited to put the potatoes into the pot until we were able to stick a fork in the potatoes and it wasn't hard to put the fork into the potato. And the next thing that we put in was our shrimp, mainly because those were frozen, and we also put the crab, the king crab, and then the snow crab into the pot around the same time that we put the shrimp in the water. And after we put all the food into the pot, we waited maybe 15 or 20 minutes, I want to say, until everything was cooked thoroughly. And once everything was cooked thoroughly, we were able to finally enjoy our seafood boil. And that's it for today's video, Faith Gang. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me and my family make our seafood boil. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed yet and you made it to the end of this video, sis, click that subscribe button so you can join the Faith Gang, and click the post notification button so you can get alerted every time I post another video. So with that being said, I hope you guys have a great day, and I hope you guys continue to stay prayed up and remember faith over fear.